Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is similar in all other browsers, so you will figure out how to do it basing on this tutorial. So let's enter the browser and then simply tap on the three dots icon, which is in the right upper corner. Right now I've got this update icon, but no worries, and then tap on the history. Right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, or you've got too much items on this list, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we can do it automatically. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. As you can see, I want to remove everything, so I marked everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. And then simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.